Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, thank you very much for your suggestions, comments, whatever you are writing in my comment box. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that whenever I upload new video, immediately you will get notification. So well friends, today I am 2064. Let's power on the button. We'll check what is the issue in this. I put it on. So guys, see, this is the situation. So our icon all front right, front left, rear right, and subwoofer and center all are visible clearly, but still there is no sound. So I have already connected, the song is also running. See, I already connected this. EP song is running. Okay, so I already connected the speaker and input given on input 5. One speaker connection I have given here. Okay, but still there is no audio. You can see no audio. So guys, let's open this box top cover and check what's the issue. We'll check step by step. Okay guys, just keep watching my video guys. So guys, open the top cover. I already unscrew this one so that we'll open it. First we'll do the work. Okay guys, so this is the situation. So now what we'll do, we'll check by step. The system is on and we are getting the voltages. I'll just show you. So guys, we'll check some voltages. This is the voltage going to the DSP IC. Say 3.2 volt. It's perfect. So we are getting the voltage 3.2 volt over here, and here 1.19. It's almost 1.2 volt. So our digital voltage and analog voltage both is perfectly okay going to DSP IC. So when this voltage is going here, it means our DSP IC is good and all icons are looking very clear. It means there is no problem with the DSP IC. So we will concentrate on the analog to digital control IC. This is the analog to digital control IC. See, I'm getting little hot here. I'm feeling little hot this IC. See, and the order should not come like this. See, I'm getting little hot over here. I'll just show you the temperature. See guys, I'll just show you the temperature. 52 temperature it is. 54. So this is high temperature. It should not supposed to be like this. See guys, temperature is 58. So this is the temperature. So it is getting overheated, this IC. So what we'll do, it is getting overheated. So we need to replace this IC with the new one. So this is the problem, PCM1681, I think this number of this IC is. So we need to replace this IC with the new one because the temperature is getting, the IC body is overheated. So it means the IC is shorted. So we need to replace this IC with the new one. So we'll start dismantling this IC or desoldering this IC, please. So guys, we have removed the IC. This is the old faulty IC. So now we'll just clean this area. so it's clean completely. So guys, now we'll fix the new IC over here. So we have cleaned completely, so should be very careful. Okay guys, so now we'll fix the new IC. So guys, this is the old IC PCM1681. This is the analog digital converter IC. So now we'll replace this defective IC with the new one. I got the new one with me. So this is the new IC. So guys, now we'll replace this. Okay guys, we have soldered this one perfectly. Okay, so guys, we have soldered this IC, you can see. Perfect. Okay, so now we have soldered the IC. So now we'll put it on and check what's the status. Just keep watching my video guys. So friends, we have replaced this IC with the new one. This is the one. Okay, so let's put it on and check. This is the analog to digital converter IC. Let's put it on and check what is the status. So I'll put it on now. Put it on. What we will do, we'll give the input signal. Okay guys, we'll give the input signal and check what is the status from the back side. So guys, we'll check after applying the input signal. So I will give the input. So we'll give the connection for the speaker. We'll check. Okay, see, it's working. So it is working. So this is front right. So we'll check all the one. This is another one. This is center, and this is surround. This is subwoofer. Okay guys, so guys, our all speakers are working fine. So I will put it, so I will just turn this one now. So it's working fine. Okay guys, it's working fine. So I'm putting down and increasing the volume. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.